Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to install Movavi Video Editor, a powerful and easy-to-use video editing program perfect for beginners and content creators.
Due to YouTube's rules, I can only show the first method here.
The second method is available in my Telegram channel. The link is in the description.
Let's get started. Open your browser and go to the official Movavi website, movavi.com. You'll find the direct link right at the top of the video description.
Once you're on the site, click on Download for free.
The installer will begin downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, open the file. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. The Movavi setup wizard will appear. Click Install.
If you get stuck at any step, don't worry, a full walkthrough is available in my Telegram channel.
Just check the pinned comment.
Once the installation is complete, Movavi Video Editor will launch automatically. You can also open it later from the desktop shortcut or start menu. The free version has most of the basic features, but some advanced tools and export options may be limited or watermarked. To unlock the full version and remove all limitations, check out the second installation method, which is available only on Telegram due to YouTube's policies. If this guide helped you out, please give the video a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.